Hello everyone, this is Wilson again. I want to play some kind of Igbo rhythm, and I'm gonna use it to sing some Igbo songs, which when you listen to it, it's very interesting, to understand that the Igbo people, we have our own rhythm that we can actually make good music, and I believe you enjoy this one, yeah? And it's free. I can teach you how to play the rhythm, and yeah, take it from there. It's actually C major, F major, you go back to C major, and you play G. Yeah. C, F, G. Then I add up with some riffs. Yeah. Yeah. Listen to it. Imela, 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 Kaka, Imela, Chineke, Imela, Onyama. Imela, 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 Okaka, Imela, Chineke, Imela, Onyama. Imela, 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 Onyama. Imela, Chineke, Onyama. Imela, 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 Onyoma. Imela, Wanoto, Jidu, Kamanonya, Onyoma. Okay, let me play it slower, then you will understand what I'm playing. Then you play F major. Then you play. All right, you get that? Okay, there's another one. We actually call it Igbo Highline. That one goes this way.